Hello, everybody. Welcome to a new edition of Unboxing with Matt. I'm your host, Matt. This video today is sponsored by Sentry.io. I don't particularly know what Sentry.io is. They didn't really give us much information to talk about, but it's something to do with computers. I don't know. And they're giving out some boxes to their employees, and they wanted to send me one so I can give my review. And one thing that's a little bit weird is that the box has been dripping since I've gotten it. I don't really know why yet, but I think we're gonna find out. So let's dig right in. Kind of made a mess all over my counter, but here we are. On the top it says, I can't read this font. It's something happy, something holidays. I don't know. Let's dig right in. Here we go. Ugh. Let's crack this open. Oh, some nice packaging. Take a look at it. We got here paper. Nice little card. Check this out. Season's greetings. Something centaurs. I don't know. Let's get this filler paper out. Oh god, what is? Oh, what? As you can tell, I don't know why they mailed this to me. This is pretty gross. There's just seems to be ranch dressing and baked beans. Inside here, it's a nice shirt though. Take a look. Oh, it's just getting everywhere. It's like a nice holiday sweater. Take a look at this. Oh, so gross. Oh, let's try this on. It's nice. I mean, aside from the beans, it's pretty nice. I don't know why they added the beans and the ranch dressing, but I think there's more in here. Oh, why do they do this? I think there's a card of something, a deck of cards, dumpster fire. Oh, dumpster fire. What's this? Like a nice custom deck of cards. I don't know what dumpster fire is, but we got it. Just gonna. What else do we have in here? Nothing here. There's more in the box. Pack of colored pencils. These seem to be just standard issue Crayola. I don't think there's anything special here other than that they're covered in beans and ranch. I think at the bottom there's, can't really see what it is. It's like a coloring book of some sort. I don't know. I can't really tell what it is. I really don't understand why there's a bunch of bean and ranch dressing in the box, but I think this is it. I don't know. Pretty cool. Nice stuff from Sentry. I guess make sure when you open this, you have room to deal with the mess that's gonna come out of this. Thank you. Until we meet again.